Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we'll be showing you some online sources for dye sublimation products. I'm going to try to keep this video short and sweet, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's worth mentioning that I will have all the websites as well as my favorite products mentioned in the description below. If you find the value in videos like this, feel free to subscribe for future content. Thanks. Alright guys, we'll just jump on into this. A lot of times I'll shop at Coastal Business. I usually buy my mugs here for sure. Go to Sublimation Blanks. You'll see I think the 36 pack's fairly cheap. The 12 pack's $26.95, 36 pack $57.95. They do free shipping over $149, so you should be able to find that on this site pretty easy. You know, you have even the gift mug or the mug boxes. I usually get coasters quite often. They just have a wide variety of items. Definitely work. Next site is Kids Blanks by Zoe. I get a lot of my children's dye sub stuff here, like onesies and raglan shirts, things like that. So you'll log in. I mean, you'll have to create an account to do that, but I don't think they check for like wholesale or anything. You can just create an account and buy. The onesies are fantastic here. That's probably my favorite product from here. The next place, I know a lot of y'all already shop at Dollar Tree, but what you probably didn't know is that you can go to the Dollar Tree online site and do site to store. And in addition to that, if you don't get anything else from this video, the one thing you should notice is that the Dollar Tree search engine searches the description. So you can just type in polyester, hit enter. You will see everything basically that Dollar Tree offers that you can print on, including these fancy oven mitts, woven rugs. Those are really cool. Pillowcases, all kind of stuff. This is everything polyester, and if you click on it, you'll notice that it's probably PVC polyester. So see cotton and polyester, but I mean the poly content's pretty low on those, so I don't think those would work. But you will find a bunch of things in here that will probably work just fine for you. And there's several pages of things that would work out. So once again, if you go up here and click polyester, search polyester, you'll find some stuff, and they do site to store, which is really cool. Like they'll ship it to your local Dollar Tree for pickup. I think for free even. Yeah, they'll ship it free to your store, so you can just buy your things. The minimums aren't bad. Like see, you can buy 36 of those. Some of them are like 4 things you can get in a case. So it's pretty sweet. Alright. The next thing, one of my kind of best kept secrets, is called Epic Sports. And we did some of the football jerseys from right here. I think it's these. But we did the white and black ones. And you'll notice that they're pretty cool. On top of that, they are 100% polyester. As with a lot of sports apparel, like you'll find a bunch of different things like shirts and all kind of things that are at least 50 polyester, 50, at least they're 50/50s. So a lot of things on this site are printable, including that there's some nice polo shirts. Where are they at? Let's see if we. I know I recently purchased some. I think they were Russell Athletics. I'd have to find them, but yeah, like they have a lot of things that are printable. So pretty solid. It's definitely worth looking around in here to find something. And then that again, that's Epic Sports. And let's see. The next is Conde, which is dyetrans.com. You'll see a whole bunch of different that's Dye Sub blank products. See, they have a whole bunch of. I mean, they have tons of stuff. They have like FRP and just all kind of stuff. They have iPhone accessories. I mean, they have probably one of the biggest catalogs that I know of, and that's CondeDyeTrans.com. I've been a long time customer of theirs. There's pretty solid stuff. The next one's Nashville Wholesale. I bought COVID mask from here. They were a little slow on shipping, but I mean, at least I got them, so that's a good start. I just figured I'd mention them. I think there might be better places to buy, but you know, it is what it is. Johnson Plastics, I've had them on my radar for a while. I haven't ordered anything here, but they do have an extensive catalog of things, including, you know, fabric, mugs, just all kind of things. Dye Sub. Looks like they do a lot of vapor stuff, which I know Dye Trans is probably gonna be cheaper on the vapor stuff. Let's see, US Cutter. They also have a sublimation blanks section. So see, they have mostly mugs and cups and things, but just another option for mugs. Heat Press Nation. They also have sublimation things. Let's see. Like, say, 3D sublimation stuff and yeah. I thought they'd have better. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sublimation blanks. Let's restart. In addition, you have a Heat Press Nation. They have sublimation blanks as well, and quite a few of them. And the website's nice as far as how it's categorized. So it's really nice. And see, right now they're doing free ground shipping and all that. So, you know, once again, a good place to buy mugs, coasters, you know, just about anything you would want to be. There's tons of options. I haven't purchased from here yet, but Best Blanks appears to have a decent amount. Very similar to every other site. They have, you know, pretty much the same stuff. Nothing really unique from Dye Trans or Heat Press that I know of. There's Pro World. They also have sublimation blanks, very similar to all the other guys. I haven't actually placed an order on Pro World, so I'm not sure, you know, how everything goes on that. I've just heard good things about them, and the mask looked better than what I've seen, so I've considered it. All right, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a big old thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you want to, just subscribe for more content like this. You know, we're on this sublimation journey together, and hopefully I can help you out. All right, thanks.